Hello wherever you are, this is Matt from the Arribatec Training Centre. Welcome back to our YouTube playlist where we are looking at different methods of importing data into Unit4 ERP. In the second video on our topic of copying and pasting, we will be looking at how to paste Flexi-Field data into a table in the desktop environment. Using this example allows us to look at a lot of different field types such as text strings, integers, whole numbers, floats or decimals, dates and checkboxes. And again, we'll be highlighting things to watch out for. I hope you find it useful. Let's go. Continuing with our copy and paste theme, let's now have a look at pasting Flexi-Field values into a Flexi-Field table in an attribute. To start off with, we have an example attribute master file open called DM attribute. The attribute value that's open is dmval3, and if you click on the Flexi-Field table tab, you will see that the table contains two Flexi-Field rows. We want to import some new lines into that Flexi-Field table. To start off with, we're going to highlight the whole table using the corner blank box and then edit copy. This way we'll get the headers and the formatting of the existing lines. In a blank Excel spreadsheet, we're going to paste in our values and then we can prepare the data and add whichever lines we want. Notice the checkbox column uses a 1 and a 0 to indicate whether the box is checked or not. Once the data is prepared, we can highlight the lines that we want to copy the lines, and then return to Unit4 ERP, insert as many rows as we need, double click into the first available blank row, and then paste our results. Now it looks like it's all fine, but there are a couple of quirky random things that would happen depending on what actions you take. The first random thing is that if you don't tab across all the lines, then when you save, it will miss out some of your lines. So the first thing to note is that when you paste, you need to then tab across all the lines so it will keep them all. Here I'm just holding down tab until I get to the bottom of the lines, click save again, and if I go back to that table, you'll see that all lines are there. The second quirk of the system is that you might notice that our line 3, the checkbox, is unticked, whereas in our Excel document, that line, we have a 1 in there, we would think to indicate that that checkbox is ticked. This has happened on all the rows. All the ones that are on number 1 are actually unchecked, and all the ones that are number 0 are checked. So what we need to do is make sure that in our data in Excel, all the lines that we want to be unchecked are 1, and all the lines that we want to be checked are actually 0, so it's reversed. Here is that data with the reversed 0s and 1s for the checkbox, pasted in. All lines have been tabbed across, and you can see all the results are in the table properly and saved. We'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.